Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this Aurathea 10000mAh battery powered fan. So this is provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost anything extra. So if we look at the back here, it has specs. This charges with 5 volts at 2 amps USB. This can also output 5 volts at 2 amps, so you can charge this with USB and you can charge other devices with this. It has a 10000mAh battery. Working time is 28 hours on low, 20 hours on medium, 12 hours on high, or 8 hours on powerful. And we have the noise ratings listed out here, product dimensions, weight, speed. Has a timer setting for 2, 4, 6, and 8 hours. And then it has a low, medium, and high light. So let's get this open. So here we have a USB cable, a fan, we have a manual. Let's take a quick look at it. So this is going to have the specs again, shows the different parts, shows how to use it. Press the power button to turn it on, and then press it again to change through the levels. Press the light button to turn the light on. Press the timer button for the timer function. You can press the power button to view the current speed level. After 3 seconds, it will display the remaining battery, and then after 3 seconds, it will show the remaining timer duration. It has an adjustable bracket, can act as a power bank. We have some more notes on the back and some troubleshooting. So here's the charge cable. It's a USB-C cable, but it comes with a USB-A adapter. So that's nice. Here we have that adjustable foot. So it can go 180 degrees, and it has a little hook built in the top. So you can hang it. Has little rubber pieces there, so if you put it on a surface, it's not going to slide back. Here's the charge port. Let's try charging this. So I'll plug in here. You can charge this with a phone charger. Plug in, and it's currently charging at 1.9 amps. Now that can vary depending on state of charge of the fan. And if we look here, it shows 85% charge, and it's flashing showing it's charging. Let me get a ruler out here. So this is around maybe 6 7/8 inch wide, right at 9 inches tall, and it's maybe 1 3/8 inch thick. Those are approximate dimensions. So we have 85% battery. I think that's enough for us to test this. Now it has foam around the buttons here. I guess that's so if you place it in a bag, it keeps the buttons from being pressed. So let's press the on button. So that turned the fan on. So it has a nice little hum there. Press it again. So this shows the mode we're on 1. There's 2, 3, and 4. So if we press the button, we can see that. If we press it, it will go off. So it has a 7-bladed fan. Let's try the light. So we press the light is on. It has 3 levels. So let's turn the fan on. Let's turn on the timer. So here we have 2, 4, 6, and 8 hour timers. So let me turn this on 1. So on level 1, it's rated for 28 hours runtime. So if you're camping over the weekend, say you're sleeping for 8 hours a night, if you wanted to run this while you're sleeping, they can easily handle that. This could handle 3 nights. And even on medium, it could handle that. So if I go to the medium mode, that's 20 hours runtime. So you could have 2 nights of 8 hours and then have 4 hours left over. Now even on the low mode, I do feel air. So if you wanted to put this on your office desk and have it blow in your face, it would work well for that. If I was camping, I might set this kind of in front of me a couple feet and have it blow up my face. I just want like a very gentle breeze to keep me cool. Of course, you could also just point this off to the side if you just want that white noise. So really, we call this a fan, but it's also kind of a fan plus a white noise machine for a lot of people. Now, if you're camping, the light would come in handy too, and you can use both at the same time. And it's pretty bright in here, but on that bright mode, that would light up quite a bit of your tent, especially once your eyes adjust to the dark. So another potential use for this is if you're having a picnic or a potluck outside, you can take this, we'll kind of aim it up a little bit, turn this on high, and you can blow this across your food, and that can help keep the insects away. So a lot of insects have trouble flying in heavy wind. So you put this next to the food and they won't be able to fly and land on the food. Now I charge this up with my USB charger, but you can also plug into this and plug this into your phone to charge your phone. Now of course that's going to take away from your runtime from your fan and your light, but if you're running this on low and you're camping, you could probably do that, run the light, and charge your phone on 1 battery charge over the weekend. Now since this charges with USB, you could always take a portable power bank and charge this back up. So that's the Aurathea 10000mAh battery powered fan. I really like the form factor on this. With that adjustable leg, you can point it to the way you want. Has a nice sound to it, has a nice feel. If I'm camping in hot weather, I definitely want a fan with me. It makes a huge difference at night when I'm sleeping. I also like to take fans to hotels for white noise, or maybe I go in the swimming pool and I'll have a wet swimsuit so I can hang that up in the bathroom and blow a fan on it and get it dried so I don't have to pack away a wet swimsuit. You could also use this to, say, dry out shoes if you're camping. And with 10,000 milliamp hours, you're going to get a long runtime out of this. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.